YouTube. Now this video, as you've seen by the title, is my life in 10 years time. First on the list of things I want to do is to live with my friends. I want to either have lived or be living with my friends. That has always been a dream of mine. Even doing YouTube or not, it would always just be just amazing just to live with friends. I don't know why, but I've always wanted to do it. I've been inspired by, you know, like the Phase house and the Simon house, just to want to live with friends, and it sounded looks like I've still got it. So, Matt, where the fuck have you been? Literally, I don't even know where to start. Here's something cool. As long as I can remember, literally as long as I can remember, it's always been a dream of mine to live with my YouTube friends, and we've done it. Me, Jacob, George, Tilly, and sort of Lucas all have a house together now in Manchester. I don't live at home anymore. Like I said in my last video, I actually moved out. I don't know how well that video did. Either everyone loves me or everyone hates me. So, and I remember saying to George in year 7 and a bunch of our friends, oh, we should all get a house one day, all live together. And we've actually done it. What the since when the year 7 dreams actually come true? I remember dreaming in year 7, oh, one day you're not going to be a virgin, you'll have a girlfriend, you'll have loads of money, you'll live in a house with all your mates, and so far one of them is completed, and you probably guess which one. And the reason I've always wanted to live in a house with particularly my YouTube friends is because you've all got the same mindset, you all do the same thing, and everyone's around to always brainstorm ideas, like literally, see what I mean? George! Okay, I'll try Jacob. Yo, buddy, how's it go? Tilly! Ideally, they'd all be here for us to make videos and stuff, but it's just me at the moment, sadly. The thing that I love about having your own house with like 18, 19, 20-year-olds is you're the boss. You can do your own thing, so literally, you don't even need to use doors anymore. But here's a little secret for the person who's watching this video. You are the only person in the world who I'm going to show my room to. So ready? You want to see what it looks like? Here we go. So, you've got my computer. Hang on, let me just close this down. Anyway, yeah, so you got my computer here. It's the same iMac that I had at home. It's fucking awesome. Nice little Polaroids. This is us at Zach's birthday party. This is me and some sort of fluffy animal. This is me, Lydia, Dan, and Geordie. You got my little alien here. You've got Mabel here. Some razors, an Xbox, subwoofer, I think they're called. I'm not really sure. Some drawers. Got this TV here. Got this TV here, soundbar, MacBook, octopus, photo of me and Dan, all my deodorants and that sort of thing. I got this up here. This is what Jacob got me. Jacob got me this for when he went on holiday, break in case of emergency. He got it me about 2 years ago, so I'm still yet to use it, but when that day comes, that'll be a good video. I got my oh, I'm gonna have to use it now, aren't I? Got my camera up here, that fucking beast. You got the gorilla pod or anal beads, whatever you prefer. And yeah, so that is my room. It's actually sick. I've got probably the best room in the house because Matt Stokes sleeps in there, so it's always good. I got a nice little canvas here that I ordered. Originally it was a photo of me and my ex, but she dumped me, so I got it with Jacob instead. But yeah, so it's a very messy at the moment. This is Lucas's bedroom, which is cool. Something I do actually like about this place as well, we've actually got 3 toilets. Got one there, and one there, so it's good just for all of us. I've also got my Snapchat spectacles on as well, so I can just take videos, you know, from like another perspective. They come in really handy for things like this, you know, for like vlogging and that, so. Also, I don't know whether you've seen on like our social medias or not, which you should absolutely follow. It's Matt Stokes, like that. But we've actually sort of upgraded / downgraded to a G7X. Now the reason for that is because literally all our friends use them, like Emmy and all them lot, they all use them. Thought we'll give them a go. It's a bit easier because we're used to having them like massive setup, you know, remember the ones like this. And we've still got it, I still love it, it's easily my favourite ones. But I thought I'd just give it a go, and at the moment me and Jacob are loving it. You're probably thinking, Matt, did you just walk all the way to a shop just for some ice cream? And the answer is honestly yes. I also just remembered I haven't eaten today, so I should probably do that soon. The issue with living on your own without your mum and dad there, you actually forget to eat. So since I've been living with Jacob and that, you kind of just forget. It's a very, very irresponsible life. Well anyway, that was a very quick trip to the shop, I'll be honest. I brought bread and ice cream. I don't even eat the bread, I just wanted some ice cream. I didn't want to look like a 19-year-old just buying ice cream, you know what I mean? Since I'm Matt Stokes, there's only one thing that's on my mind right now, and you OG guys, you're going to know exactly what it is. I'll give you 3 seconds to have a think. Ah, that's better. So yeah, since being here, I have kind of learned how to cook, but not very well. It's more sort of just like rice and chicken and bacon and that sort of thing. I'm sorry for my vegan friends. It's all we have in the house, I'll starve otherwise. It's every trolley bro with the Yapsy Trolley Show. 100 on YouTube, never done before. Past all the competition, Madra Colton is next, and I'm... Oh shit, the smoke. Oh, I've got a great idea. Alexa, set an alarm at 3 AM, 4 AM, for 5 AM.
Third alarm set for 5 AM. Sixth alarm set for 8 AM. Seventh alarm set for 9 AM tomorrow.
That should do him well. Jacob is gonna kill me. Well, that's it, my first G7X vlog, let's call it. I've been editing for the last few hours anyway, just to see what sort of thing it is, and it's getting to like 6-7 minutes and it's decent. Like I've really enjoyed making it, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching. But before I end, I just want to end on something that I found so important in getting to sort of where I am now. So I've always liked to be a motivational YouTuber, that sort of thing. My goal, ever since I left school, was to change the world. And to this day, that is my aim. Money doesn't motivate me, cars doesn't motivate me, clothes doesn't motivate me, none of that stuff motivates me. The thing that motivates me is helping other people, always has and always will be. Finding motivation is like that one decision that can change your life. As soon as you've got something which you can just focus on, you can constantly remind yourself of to get yourself going, to get yourself to work harder and harder and harder, that is how you win and that is how you succeed. It took me to 16 to find my motivation. And that was after I watched one YouTube video. I'll link in the description. It's called Man vs Earth. It's by a guy called Prince EA, who I later ended up becoming friends with. He's a big influencer, famous on Facebook and Instagram and everything. So that just shows a good example. Once I found that motivation, that's when my passion thrived. I will proudly say 2016, 2017, my YouTube thrived. I was friends with a lot of people. People were looking up to me. People who were bigger than me were looking up to me. And it was crazy. And like I said, it kind of dropped down because of everything that happened. But I will proudly say that's when I was in my peak, I suppose. So I'm trying to build back up to it now. But what I'm trying to say is, if you can find that motivation, that is how you can change your life. That is how you can go from here to here to here to here. So my advice to you is just keep going out every single day. Try find something to motivate you through the day, even if it's looking forward to, I don't know, going out on the night for drinks, going to a barbecue later on, meeting a friend after work, that sort of thing, because those things can help you find your main motivation. And whatever your main motivation may be, is like I said, mine is to change the world, and I'm going to change the world using my social media. I've had my setbacks, I've made my mistakes, I'm gonna keep on doing that sort of thing, but that is my goal. So my advice to everyone is, if you want to succeed in what you love doing, find that motivation, find what you love, focus on what you love, keep doing it until you find something even bigger to work towards. Anyway guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed. I've tried to keep it as short and as exciting as possible. I'm afraid no one was in today, so it was a bit quieter, but the next one I'm gonna be pranking my mates, so that's gonna be fun to look to. Anyway, I'm gonna try to stick to at least one video a week now, but I'm actually going on holiday, so me and Jake are gonna be vlogging that. That'll be like an absolute trolleyed one, but if I get my GoPro back, then I will make my own video as well for the channel, so that'll be fun. So guys, look forward to the new videos. I'll see you next time. See you all at Summer in the City, and take it easy. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.